Okay, so it is currently 4:13 a.m. which we're late. I mean, compared to some people. Some people have been there since like 2 or something. But we're on our way to Hollywood Studios. We're gonna see how chaotic this is gonna be. No idea what to expect. Stay tuned. Let's see how this is. Oh, it's getting fogged. Oh, okay. You're gonna go. Have a great day. Thank you. We're here with HughesAndBrews. we did it. We're in, not Galaxy's Edge, but we're in the park. So this is already way better than I was expecting. You just keep walking closer and closer. I thought we'd be stuck in a line for like a long time just to like get in. All right, we've come to a halt. There's Star Tours. All right, we're getting closer.
Jealous, I tell you.
I hear cheers.
I hear people screaming.
What is that for? It's a little hot and humid over here, but at least there's no sun.
So good? Okay.
Honestly, I'm surprised that this is not that bad, like that the line isn't that bad. It's literally right there. I think we might be walking in early. I think we're actually gonna go in. We got our park map. Ooh, it's happening. I can't believe that this happened this easily. We just like walked in. Yeah, this is craziness. We thought we would be in line for like an hour plus. Well, it paid to wake up early.
Hey! Nice lightsaber!
You got Chewbacca over there.
Oh my god. Joey!
Oh, that's cool.
But I didn't see those little ones. I didn't take one because I thought it was this.
They said there'd be more inside the park.
Yeah, I don't know. They gave us this one, so maybe this is like from memory.
What's happening?
So all these people are just walking in from this side. We're not sure what's going on here.
And they're going in over there into something.
We're going this way now because I don't know. Apparently I think this is the line for the ride. And then it's just from here, everybody's sporadically walking around, so. So the whole time we could have just walked. Alright, I think this is the cantina, I believe. And there's a line already for that, going back that way.
Not too bad.
But it's not too bad, yeah. At least I think that's the cantina.
Oh, okay. We made it.
There it is. So it's only 5:27 a.m. and we're in. So that was like what, an hour of a wait in total?
I think we came through the tunnel at like 5.
So we're here half an hour earlier than it's supposed to be open, and on top of that, I wasn't even sure we were gonna get in at 6 a.m.
Right.
Period. So
The ride's already 200-minute wait.
oh, the ride's already 200-minute wait. But they are gonna open single riders soon, so hopefully we get to do it. We don't want to wait 200 minutes. Maybe we can get a Ronzo wrap for breakfast.
Hot dogs for breakfast.
Hot dogs for breakfast.
Something.
So here's the cantina. The last spot I thought was the cantina was probably something else. Still not sure what everything is here. Could have been the droid making spot or the lightsaber.
This line is for the
Separate
ride.
lines here? No, I think there's 2 separate lines.
Maybe the bar.
Inside one's for the...
Are they serving cocktails already? It's only 5:30 a.m. Okay, hold on. I gotta take out some money on the ATM. Hold on. I gotta take out. How does it work? Makes you want to press buttons. Okay, so we're in line for cantina, and apparently after the people behind us, it's reservation only. So we just got super lucky.
Oh, you mean like literally?
Yeah, like there's a few people, and then that's it.
Sign. Right. After you.
After this.
It's reservation.
So you got a sign that says end of line?
That's the end of the line. Yep.
So we are
So we got super lucky.
Yeah.
going to the cantina. I didn't even think we would be able to do that. So. Yes. Woohoo! Going into the cantina. Gonna get a drink at 5:30 a.m. Where's the DJ? Oh, hey, the DJ is here. We got a spot right in front of the DJ.
After a successful smoothly run. Show me the run.
Yeah, everything's gonna be expensive here. I think I'm gonna get this Spearon calf drink. Has Joffrey's coffee, orange marmalade, rum, vanilla whipped cream, citrus zest.
I don't know. I'm overwhelmed.
What are you guys gonna get?
How we doing? Pretty good?
Pretty good.
Yeah, we're gonna be a lot better once I come back. Starts when I say it does.
Okay.
The fun stuff, you can't get it until 6.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh,
Take
okay.
your time.
So we got about-
Get to Skyline Island, alright? Everything else is free game. The provisions are here.
All right, we got vacation exploration right here. What's your actual name? Heather. Okay, Heather. And then we got Earsome's. Woohoo! Disney vloggers. EarsomEmporium.
My eyes.
And who we got? HughesAndBrews. Woohoo! Got it.
I say you call it, you say you call it.
Okay, so update. It is 6:06 a.m. and they're at capacity. So
now you have to wait to get into Galaxy's Edge.
we had perfect timing. We came in right. We
Not
did
too
well.
early, not too late.
What's happening? And what did you get?
Oh, I bet that's good.
Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. He's playing Cantina Band. So apparently the foam of this drink has, what is it called?
Lidocaine.
Lidocaine, and it makes your mouth numb. So that's
It's got something in it that makes your mouth numb.
that's interesting. Wow.
Yeah,
Okay.
it hasn't come out yet.
Jet Juice, Jedi Mind Trick, Spyron Calf, and the Bloody
And then after
Rancor.
that, we're getting this.
Cheers.
The line is already.
Mine's is like coffee with just some rum in it, basically.
This has a little bit of like a chili liqueur, so a tad bit of
Little
spice.
spice. This is like, it tastes like Bailey's and coffee.
That's why it takes a little longer now. How are we doing?
Everything's very good.
That's extra. You got a bone pick?
You like the bone? Does it taste good? All right, round 2. We got the Bad Motivator IPA right here. And we got the Spice Runner Hard Cider right here. Cheers. It's Angry Orchard.
So it's really easy. So you feel this?
1,
Good job.
2,
Doing great.
4, 7.
Alright, that's why it's only 2 concoctions. It's really, so 1, 2, 3, 4, it goes 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay.
So the colors, the gambag, alright?
This is worth $85.
You get to keep this.
And you get to keep it, so
This one is the Gold Squadron Lager.
that light is worth $85, but you get to keep the actual souvenir light, and it's the only flight option. So you either pay $85 and get the souvenir, or there's no flight. So
Twice you say, hey! You have a drink, put it in the air!
hey! Hey! All right, we're finally leaving the cantina. It's daytime. We've got beer and cider.
Now we're those people. It seemed
Nice.
okay inside, and now that we're out here, it's like, oh, but wait.
All right.
Wait, everybody else is drinking coffee.
Like, wait a minute. How come it seemed okay 2 seconds?
All right, here is the milk stand for the blue and the green milk, and there's quite a long line for it, so I don't know.
Like this is
When are we gonna try the milk? We've been bumping into a lot of like YouTube channels that we follow here, so we gotta try to find Practically Perfect Park Hopping. He'll be so happy if my pin. So one thing we're noticing is that there's just lines everywhere, and we can't tell like what the line is for. So it's like there's a line for the blue milk, there's a line for the stores, there's droids, the lightsabers, I don't know. So it's confusing because every single line you're like, which line is that for?
hopefully
What's in there?
line for the hot dog.
Yes, let's try to get a Ronto wrap. Things are definitely looking different in the daytime. All right, we're at the end of the line for Ronzo Roasters. And it's not that bad, it's right there. So far we found Princess and the Bear. We found DisLyfofOurs, they're right there. We just said hi to them. And let's see who else we find today. We've been like,
other people that we don't know yet.
yeah, we discovered a few more people that we weren't even following. So today's been about finding
Networking.
yeah. There's DisLyfofOurs, and we're about to get a Ronto wrap. And they have a morning option. Got the oats.
It's the Rising
Moon overnight oats.
Rising
Very pretty.
overnight.
Boba tea balls.
So healthy. I got the morning Ronto wrap. It has some egg, some cheese. And let me see yours. This is the normal wrap. Yours looks good too. You gotta do a taste test. Alright, so far we had drinks at Cantina. We had the Ronzo wrap and breakfast at the Ronzo Roasters. And now we're like, do we go and check if there's a single rider line for Smuggler's Run? Do we try the blue and green milk? It's a long line. I know it's not gonna be that good. Do we? It's not that special. I've heard. I do want to get that popcorn, but I'll wait till the end. So we'll see. All right, so we just found the Wonderful World of Walter. We're about to try the green and blue milk thanks to them. So let's see. Is it worth it? All right, we got blue, green, and everything in between. So you want to
for it.
Try it? Let's see.
Cheers.
Go for it. Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers.
Very interesting. Yeah. Kind of weird.
No, we gotta do a cheers on ours. No.
Hard pass.
I don't like green.
I don't like green.
Let's see.
I don't know, what is it?
You don't like
Green
what?
with tequila.
Oh well.
You know,
Even the tequila didn't say
tastes like a
it.
green Skittle.
Yeah, it's kind of like, I don't know. It's weird.
Big though.
Like, that's a big no, right? This is a big no.
Yeah.
It's how it's awesome. Tequila, it's better.
Blue is not that bad. You think the tequila's better?
I think with tequila it's better,
Yeah?
but without
Then
it,
you should try it without it, because without it, it's like, blue is okay.
Blue's
The
okay.
blue
I don't really
milk is
understand what the flavor is.
Blue's okay. Cream, not so much.
We got all the vlogging going on at the same time.
it's a circle of
It's a
water.
vlogception.
Like
So green?
coconut, like,
okay.
lovely.
Yes.
Blue.
That's what that is. What does that
It's
have?
got rum in it.
It's okay.
It's not bad, but it's not good.
What kind of rum?
No, tequila.
Oh, so green milk with tequila. It's been a no for most people, but let's see what we
It's
have.
kind of like, it's okay. Yeah, right? It's very skittly. Like, it tastes
Oh, that
like
might be
Skittles.
kind of a no for me. It tastes like wax. Like it's waxy.
Yeah,
Something
They're all not-
I mean, it's,
They're not
it almost
good.
ruined tequila.
$8 is not worth this. I'm sorry.
Like, why are you
Don't
giving
waste
it
your
back to
money.
me?
Single rider for Smuggler's Run. We don't know how long it can be. We're not sure.
We waited too long.
So we were gonna do the single rider option, but then they told us that it could be anywhere between over an hour to 2 hours, and we didn't want to be stuck. So never mind. So it is now 8:42. We got here by 5:30, so that means it's been like 3 hours here. So I think we're gonna start heading out. All right, we're officially heading out of Batuu. I think we did as much as we can do for today. And on to the rest of Hollywood Studios, since the lines are not that bad right now. So we're gonna see if we can do Slinky Dog, Tower of Terror, Rock and Roller Coaster. Those are the main three, really. Those are the ones that matter. It's weird how right when you start to exit, you just see Toy Story Land, just like right there. It's a pretty hard transition. All right, Slinky Dog Dash. Standby says 55 minutes. I don't believe it's 55. There's Buzz Lightyear.
Winds of the Caspian Sea.
All right, we did Galaxy's Edge. We are done for the day. It is only like almost 11 a.m. and we are like done. We're tired, so, but we did it. We'll come back and ride Smuggler's Run. It's fine. For now, we're good. So we did things and we drank things.
Oh, Darth Vader.
Hey, hi!
To flick you off.